Yeah, listen to me. Me born and raised in the ghetto.
In the ghetto?
Cut dumpling with ratchet knife and calalo.
I'm a lot.
And put it on my jaw corner.
Yeah,
you know see, cut up me weed, put it on my chalice and suck it. And when time it done, suck me chalice, me use the water. Me use the water and wash my face because me say me
come me for the side of him. I will look good. Sit down, look good together. Mwah. Mwah.
You got a wife, boy.
Don't know.
Yeah, so he's Jamaican like myself. And as you know, we Jamaica, even when we're in America, we never forget our culture. But some people come and they forget their culture and they forget where they're coming from. When I come on live, sometimes you guys complain why I'm eating with my hands, why I'm eating out of the pot. No, this is the reason why this man going to explain to you because I'm come from Jamaica just like me.
I was born and raised in the ghetto. I go to school without no shoes on my feet.
Neither me baby, son that boy my foot. After you kill me. After you kill me to rat and grunage them.
One suit for me back when me come home. Listen to me. One suit for me back and when me come home, me find me all clothes lean up in a corner.
That's how you come on. That's how you come here. That's right. I love this. Yo, don't turn back to the people.
Listen to me. When me come back, me find me clothes lean up in a corner. But guess what?
Yes.
God is great.
God is great.
Every time.
Exactly.
You see, we come to live.
Like a rock, like a fucking rent I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like him suit on my job.
Girlfriend.
My time says a husband may look like him. But the very big old eyes are walking. You know I don't trouble. Big up yourself. Much love.
Hey, girlfriend, listen to me.
Much love, baby.
Listen to me.
Jamaican too?
Listen to me.
You want to say hi to anyone in Jamaica? Not now, you look beautiful. I love it. Listen, you're watching me all the time. Yes, baby.
You know my name is? You want to know my name?
Yes.
My name is Cockspur. Listen to me. Hey, see when I'm a friend here, they can't tell you. My name is Cockspur.
That's why I wear them so there. Mine never pimp, mine never pimp when I young, you know. Mine never pimp, you know, look like a pimp suit him have, you know.
You know who we are? A Jamaica urban angle. You think we I love you. I love you. Big and serious.
Now again, come on. You're hugging a celebrity, baby.
A Cockspur, me name.
I love you. So God bless you.
Jamaica, you know. PJ parties. Them say me over a faggot. But me have my house and everything on Long Island. Over Valley Street. Yeah. It's a tough dude. I work for the city. I engineer you. Big and serious. I love you retire just now.
But you smell good and you feel strong like you can't work skin same way. You can burn the skin same way like hot wire.
What?
You can burn the skin same way like a hot wire. You know the rum? Why you put in that rum? My God, you're too wicked, man. You know what, my God? My God, you want to say? You put that woman in rum. If you ask him why rum, my God. My God, my God, to us. My God. My God, baby. My God. Hello. My God. Rum. I go walk like this.
Yeah, let me see. Jesus Christ.
No, we are baby. Hello. My love you too. I know. Love you. God bless you. Yes, I know. Get off the road now. Too much. All right, love you guys. Bye. Try and get off the road and it get dark. Ice cream and melt and up a chat. Must like to enjoy my life. Yes? I'll get back on to you guys. I'm going to try to get a camera or something. I'll talk to you later. I love you. Mwah.